Welcome to the Spellbinders June 2026 Clear Stamp and Die of the Month Club called This Way to Rainbows. This month's club includes a stamp set that has 17 clear sentiment stamps that perfectly coordinate with all of the other June clubs. This month's club also has 13 dies, which include a signpost die and several shaped signs that fit around the single words. Plus, there are dies to cut out the multi-line sentiments. Use a stamp positioner or an acrylic block to stamp out the multi-line sentiments in black ink on white cardstock. Temporarily hold the coordinating dies in place with Spellbinders Best Ever Craft Tape and run through your die cut machine to individually cut each of them out. Let's use this month's club to create a card. If you've already cut out some of the sign shapes, you can stamp on them by placing the positive piece inside the opening spot on the cardstock. Then place the single word stamp on top of that die cut sign, ink it up, and stamp it out. If you haven't die cut the signs yet, simply stamp the words you want to use on cardstock. Then place the desired shaped sign around the word and hold it in place with Best Ever Craft Tape and run through the die cut machine. Try using coordinating colors of ink on different colors of cardstock. Cut a cloud border out of an A2 piece of white cardstock using the Spellbinders Landscape Edges dies. Use an A2 piece of Spellbinders Seaside cardstock as the background for the color of the sky. Use the Rolling Hills Landscape die to cut a sandy ground out of Spellbinders Fawn cardstock. Using a detail brush and Hero Arts Root Beer Reactive ink, ink the edges of the small mound of sand die cut that comes with the club. Also ink the Rolling Hills of Sand. To cut the water, use the Cloud Landscape die upside down on some Malibu cardstock and ink the edges with Hero Arts Blue Hawaii Reactive ink. Use Spellbinders Tape Runner to adhere the cloud border down to an A2 Seaside cardstock, which is adhered to an A2 top folding card base. Next, adhere the ocean water to the card, just like the clouds. Adhere the sandy ground on top of the water background at the bottom of the card. Use a little liquid adhesive only at the bottom of the pile of sand and adhere that to the ground. Use liquid adhesive to adhere the signpost, placing the bottom of the post under the top of the sand pile. Add small foam squares behind the signs and place them on the signpost. Add more small foam squares behind one of the stamped and die cut sentiments and add that to complete the card. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!